Few figures loom as large over the Gettysburg battlefield as does Daniel Sickles, commander of the 3rd Corps of the Army of the Potomac. We already talked about him at Little Round Top and at the wheat field, but it would be here at the Peach Orchard that he would forever be connected. When Daniel Edgar Sickles and his 3rd Corps, 10,000 men strong, advance on July 2, 1863, the center of Sickles' battle line will occupy this position here, the Peach Orchard owned by Joseph Sherfy. 5,000 of his men will stretch from the orchard due north along the Emmitsburg Road, and the other 5,000 will stretch from the orchard due southeast, occupying the wheat field and Devil's Den. Sickles' position here at the Peach Orchard forms a giant salient, or a 90-degree angle. It's good ground, but it's also incredibly vulnerable. It can be attacked by Confederates not only from the west, but from the southwest, and not only from the southwest, but from the south. And that's exactly what happens around 6:30 in the afternoon on July 2nd, 1863. Confederate artillery on Seminary Ridge and Warfield Ridge sweep the Peach Orchard with shot and shell. And then the men of William Barksdale's brigade, Mississippians, the same men we talked about at our tour stop 6, advance from the cover of trees along Seminary Ridge, strike Sickles' position here at its salient at the Peach Orchard, and begin to drive it back. By late afternoon, July 2nd, 1863, Sickles' command of 3rd Corps begins to crumble, and now chaos descends in the southern half of the Gettysburg battlefield. Will these victorious Confederates be able to make it to Cemetery Ridge? Will they be able to capture that key ground? Or will Union reinforcements arrive in time to drive them back? Let's head to our next stop and find out what happens.